China dominates the global mini PC market, producing most of the world's supply. Mini PCs are compact but powerful, and are often used for home, office, and industrial applications. The average size of a mini PC is around 5 by 5 inches, small enough to fit in your palm. Mini PCs use low-power components, making them energy efficient and silent. They are commonly produced in Shenzhen, known as China's Silicon Valley. Factories are highly automated, but manual labor still plays a crucial role. ESD, electrostatic discharge, protection is enforced, requiring workers to wear special gear. Assembly lines are designed for speed, often producing thousands of units per day. Temperature and dust control are critical for component integrity. Workers often operate in 8 to 12-hour shifts, rotating between tasks. Motherboards are the heart of mini PCs, customized for each model. SMT, surface mount technology, machines place micro-components on PCBs with extreme precision. RAM and SSD storage are installed by hand or robotic arms, depending on the factory. Passive cooling systems, heatsinks, fans, are used to prevent overheating. Each mini PC is built from about 500 to 700 small parts, including screws, wires, chips, and ports. Every unit undergoes stress testing, simulating real-world conditions. BIOS and firmware are flashed during assembly, customized for each batch. Visual inspections catch flaws like soldering defects or scratches. Performance benchmarks are used to weed out underperforming units. Failed units are reworked or scrapped, depending on the defect. Mini PCs come with HDMI, USB, Ethernet, and Type-C ports, often on compact I/O boards. Many models include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chips, pre-installed during production. Antennas are internally integrated, or mounted during the casing stage. Some mini PCs offer dual monitor or 4K output, made possible by onboard GPUs. CNC machining creates precise aluminum casings, providing durability and heat dissipation. Plastic casings are injection mold, cheaper but less premium. Logo printing is automated, often using UV printers or laser etching. Thermal paste is applied between the CPU and the heatsink, ensuring efficient heat transfer. Dust filters and rubber feet are added last, before boxing. Each unit is boxed with accessories, such as power adapters, manuals, and mounting kits. Packaging is drop tested for durability, especially for export orders. Large shipments are vacuum sealed and crated to prevent humidity damage. Barcode tracking is implemented from the factory floor to global distribution. Many Mini PCs are OEM, original equipment manufacturer, sold under different brand names. China exports millions of Mini PCs annually, powering devices in homes, schools, and businesses around the world.